Hi everyone. I'm Anushka. I'm from National Gluten Free Registry and Certifications, and today we are here to provide you an interactive session talking about all the elements which are required in the gluten free diet and how other manufacturers are promoting it. NGFRC is a trusted national database where consumers will find reliable information about gluten free products and services with full transparency. The registry offers basic to advanced information on gluten free products and services. The products include both Indian and imported varieties for your better knowledge. Today we have on board Ms. Sagarika Jain, e-commerce head, Everin India Private Limited. She has done her BTech in computer science after working with IT giant Accenture and working in the field of AI. She is now following her passion of marketing and now heading the e-commerce department and retail at Everin India Private Limited. Thanks for joining us today. Let's start with our session. And firstly, I would love if you could talk about Everin India.
Hi Anushka, thank you for the introduction. Ever in India Private Limited is the fastest growing and India's number one smart consumer FMCG enabled brand, having expertise in FMCG, retail, and export. It's an ISO certified, HSCCP, and GMP certified company. We are one of the leading exporters of FMCG products from across the globe. Under the gluten free category, our main product is soya chunks, and there are many more to be added into the range. We also deal in pickles, soya chunks, macaroni, pasta, vermicelli, sauces, and many more. We have one segment, personal care, as well, which has grade 1 and grade 2 beauty and bathing soaps.
So I have one question like how does your company aim to promote gluten-free products in future?
So, Anushka, Everin's vision and mission has always been to promote nutrient rich and healthy food products that are of global standards. We aim to raise awareness about the health benefits of gluten free products for both health conscious people and people who are suffering from celiac disease. Our main aim is to provide best quality possible products in the market. Also, now everything is going digital, everything is going online.
Yeah.
So our main aim is to promote all our products, including gluten-free products, on all major e-commerce marketplaces. So to have a better reach pan India.
All right. So like while you promote the gluten-free products, what are the problems you guys come across?
So actually, main problem while working with gluten-free products that we faced and that we aim to, address is the lack of awareness among people about the gluten-free products. And another thing that we aim to address is usually the gluten-free products are higher price based in the market. According to a study, 40% of the people who are looking for gluten-free products actually feel that the products are little expensive for them as compared to the non-gluten-free products. And they say that if that product is available at a lower cost, they would buy it. So we actually aim to address this problem in the market to provide people with the best economic priced gluten-free products.
Right, right. I think that's absolutely great. So it like we all know it's the pandemic, etc. So how did you manage to cope up with the supplies of products during the COVID-19?
So, COVID-19, Anushka, as you know, it brought number of challenges for everyone. And for several months, actually, the supply chain was completely off the hook. Although we had sufficient stock available with us in our warehouses, but during the lockdown, the demand for food products exceeded, and it actually led to shortage of the supply.
Mhm.
But at the end, with the little supply that we could manage with us and from the market, we were able to cope with the product supplies.
Right. So I think that's when we talk about India. So what difference do you feel when it comes to the difference between Indian and international gluten-free markets?
So I feel the main difference between the Indian and international markets is the lack of awareness among people about the celiac disease.
Right, right.
In India, people are actually still ignorant about this lifestyle disorder, which actually requires a very strict gluten-free diet. It is actually only treatment for celiac disease. And another thing that we have actually noticed is that the purchasing capacity of the consumers in international market is higher as compared to the Indian market. So we aim to address this challenge, to provide people with the best quality and the at an economic price, whatever is possible. Uh, at the end and after pandemic, now people have started, living consciously, and they are following healthy lifestyle,
Completely.
and which is actually promoting gluten-free products. And one thing that gluten-free products actually, is a factor of losing weight and living a healthy lifestyle. So our main aim is to educate people about the healthy eating and educate people about the lifestyle based disorders.
Right, right, right. So I think you have been, in the market for quite a few years now. So what do you think is your bestseller product?
So I think all of our products are our best sellers. Actually, I cannot differentiate between my
That's
products.
a good answer.
But under the gluten-free category, our bestseller product is soya chunks. It is actually also the best sellers and highest rated product under the dried soya bean category on Amazon.
All right. So I think there's a lack of awareness as you just talked about, especially in India.
Yeah.
So the consumers don't know whether their products are gluten free or not.
Right.
So that's my question to you. Like, how would we know if your product is gluten free and we can include it in our diet?
Right. So that's a completely valid question, and it's the basic right of a consumer to know what they are actually consuming in the market. And for that, we have got our gluten-free products tested from some of the best labs in India, and the reports show zero gluten in our soya chunks. We have also collaborated with special stores pan India, which only deal in gluten-free and healthy products.
All right. So do you think the foods which are by default nature free can be labeled as gluten free?
Uh, Actually, they can be labeled gluten free, but the manufacturer or the trader has to make sure that they are processing and packing the gluten free products in a separate manufacturing unit, to avoid cross contamination.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think that would be my last question to you. If a food manufacturer uses the gluten free claim on some of its food, so does that mean that every food made by that manufacturer is free of gluten completely?
I would not say that the manufacturer who is manufacturing only and only gluten-free products. It might be possible that a few manufacturers are producing both gluten-free and gluten products. But as I already mentioned, that a manufacturer has to make sure that they are processing and packing those products gluten-free, especially gluten-free products, in a separate manufacturing unit to avoid cross contamination, because that is very important at the end.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So I think that was lovely talking to you. Thanks for
Same
joining us
here.
today, and it was a pleasure knowing about the Every in India, and we hope
Thank you.
you achieve the great heights which you guys aim to.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Anushka. It was great talking to you today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.